How are you, friends? So today we discuss about the world parliaments. Afghanistan's parliament known as Loya Jirga, Albania's parliament known as Cuvent Populoro, Algeria's parliament known as People's National Assembly, Angola's parliament known as National People's Assembly, Argentina's parliament known as National Congress, Australia Federal Parliament, Austria Federal Assembly, Bahrain National Assembly, Bangladesh Jatiya Sangsad, Belgium Parliament, Benin Songdo National Assembly, Bolivia the Congress, Brazil National Congress, Brunei Majlis Mashwaraat Nagri, Bulgaria National Assembly, Canada Parliament, Chad National Assembly, Chile National Congress, China National People's Congress, Croatia Sabor, Czech Republic Parliament, Denmark Folketing, Egypt Majlis, Estonia Rigokogo, Finland Idostan, France Parliament, Germany Parliament, Iceland Althing, India Parliament, Iran Majlis, Ireland Parliament, Israel Nist, Italy Parliament, Japan Diet, Kazakhstan Kengiz, North Korea Politburo, South Korea National Assembly, Latvia Sima, Libya Great People's Congress, Lithuania Simas, Luxembourg Chamber of Deputies, Maldives Majlis, Netherlands State General, Nigeria Force Ruling Council, Norway Starting, Pakistan Majlis Shura, Philippines Congress, Poland Parliament, Russia Federal Assembly, Spain Cortex, Sweden Riksdag, Switzerland Federal Assembly, Syria National People's Assembly, Tajikistan Majlis, Turkmenistan Majlis, UK House of Lords, United States of America Congress, Uzbekistan Majlis. So these all about the famous world parliaments. Hope you guys enjoy and learn about many things world parliament. Thanks. Please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment. Please give feedback. Thank you.